beste ervaring. Service say.
How y'all doing? I'm going to the dentist. I'm sitting here worrying about it. I hate going to the dentist. I mean, my dentist is a nice guy, Dr. Smith. Nice guy. How you doing? How you doing? Gonna be all right. How you doing? We're gonna take care of it. Don't worry now. You got good teeth. Don't worry. He's a good doctor. But man, you hate going to the dentist. You know, it's it's like, you know, it's like you made an appointment to get beat up. You know, it's just like, oh man, I don't want to go to the dentist. So anyway, I've got to have, well, I got a filling that fell out, I think, over here on this side. So it's got to be re-ground out because it's got decay in it, and put a new filling in. It's going to be even bigger. And then they got a new cavity over here. I'm always getting cavities back here in the very back teeth. Never hardly, I have not gotten a cavity ever up here. It's all back here kind of thing. I don't know. I brush the devil out of my teeth, but, you know, I'm not a very good flosser. As in, I floss very infrequently, like, never. So, anyway, I'm on the way. And I won't be able to talk this afternoon, so I don't know how much film we'll have today after this, but we'll see. Hey, hey, I sound pretty good. I just got out of the dentist. Okay, that caused problems trying to say dentist. 18 shots of Novocaine and some other stuff. 18. So, yeah. Now, it didn't hurt, because, I mean, the shots hurt, you know, a little bit. But, the drilling was fine. But a big old huge cavity over here. I just had to refill when it fell out. But big old one over here. I'm numb right here to right here. I mean, the cheeks are numb. Nose, tip of my nose was a little, starting to feel it again. My tip of my nose was a little numb. But the lip right here, and nothing, you know, punch me in the nothing. That is numb. Whole bottom jawline is numb. Drool. Hey. So anyway, he says I won't be able to eat lunch for a while. I'm on the way back to the house. My wife's probably gonna want me to help clean. I'm gonna try to feign a headache and not clean. Not have to do any housework. Probably won't get away with that. All right.
A box with a sliding lid and made some blocks for Judy.
Wow. Yeah.
And we wound up using most of them for a scotch. We had a luggage carrier on the car, and it was running loose.
Huh.
Wow.
Ben said they bought
Good job.
a luggage carrier last year, and they're using it today.
What are they using?
A luggage carrier on top of their van.
Oh, on their van? That's a good idea.
Where'd you get home? No.
Put it on me? Yeah. Wow.
Oh, thank you. Daddy? Daddy?
Careful up there.
Who's that? Who's that?
No.
A lot of fights. It was.